ZOESHAAA.
Hey guys! So guess what? Big dilemma. Not really big dilemma, but just a while ago, I went on the road to go and get gas. It's 9:56 at night right now, right? It's Wednesday, by the way. Went on the road to go and get gas. Went to the gas station, you know, opened the gas tank, everything, ready to pump the gas. When I go to pull out my debit card to do the pre whatever, no bank card, left my card and my purse upstairs. I took out my what I thought was my bank card, but it was my bus pass. I didn't have it, so I gotta go back on the road now, go and get gas. Just gonna pick up something to eat and then come home and finish my project and go to bed. I came home, first of all, I finished work late, and then came home and went straight to editing. I've been editing this video for so long. Went straight to editing, got that done, so that's rendering right now, and then I'm gonna put it up to YouTube, so hopefully that will be up tomorrow, day late, whatever. But today, you guys, before I even continue, guys, today is December 1st. I know what I mean. What is that? From December start? Every day is what? Every day is what? Oh yeah. Hey. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey. Hey. Every day is Christmas. Oh yeah. Like that is literally going to always be my Christmas intro. So there goes the Christmas intro, you guys. I hope you guys like it. Comment down below. Let me know if you guys like it. But yeah, today starts Vlogmas. Obviously, I'm not doing Vlogmas this year, you guys. It just would not work out for me this year. This year is just a write-off year because nothing went according to plan this year. And yeah, so we'll try again next year. So yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna go get what I need to get, and I'll talk to you guys later if I pick back the camera up. But I just wanted to share that with you guys and let you guys know that today is officially the first day of the last month of 2021. So I mean, what a ride. Yeah guys, so just got home. It's 10:25. Just got home. I'm gonna go upstairs now. I'm gonna leave you guys in the car so I don't forget you guys in the morning, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hi guys, happy Wednesday! I mean Thursday. It's Thursday, it's payday. I am on lunch right now. It's 1:10 in the afternoon. I am heading to pick up something to get for lunch. Yeah. I feel for Greek, so I think that's what I'm gonna get. Don't mind this angle, y'all. I have to keep you guys here for now. Yeah, it's not the most flattering, but we gotta do what we gotta do, right? Anyways, hope you guys are having yourself an amazing Thursday. Today started off great. I wish I kind of took you guys on the road, well, yeah, on the journey with me this morning while I was coming into work, because I had a little Instagram car karaoke type throwback thing this morning where, you know, there was some songs that came up on the something, and they were like older songs. So I was like, whoa, you know what I mean? Like, wow, like Throwback Thursday, you know what I'm saying? All these things. So it was like, it was a good morning in that sense. And yeah, but probably in the evening when I'm going home, we can jam out together or whatever. As I said, right now I'm just on my way to go and get something to eat and then go back into the office. I have a lot of work to do. Thursdays and Fridays are supposed to be like my less, how do I explain it? My less like computer working days or calling days or anything like that. Like my computer phone days are supposed to be less on Thursdays in the sense of like work, but like I still have to send out like invoices and all of that kind of stuff. So that's kind of what I gotta go back and do, get like missed payments and all of that annoying stuff. Like, cause it's so tedious in the term of like I'm on people's back like 24/7, and I hate that because like my name is on the email, even though it's my boss that's in my ear like get this. They see my name, so they think like I'm being a pest, which yeah. So yeah. So yeah, that's what I gotta go back and do. Was there anything else that I was saying? Yo, you guys, I was up until 12 o'clock last night making mugs. I gotta go back home and actually do more. And then I have an order for 10 wine glasses or stemless wine glasses, 10 tumblers, and then I might have another one for 50 cups, right? Next weekend I might have 3 setups. So far I'm booked for 2, like balloon decoration setup, backdrop setup stuff. Yeah, I already have booked for 2 for next weekend on the same day, and then I might have another one. So I told everybody the last day to place your orders for Christmas or for the month of December period was December 5th, which is this Sunday. And it was like the worst thing for me to do, because when I made the post, my inbox is just like, oh, don't forget me, I need this, I need this, I need this, I need 1,000 this, I need 1,000,000 this, I need hundreds of this. No, I don't understand why y'all waited till December 5th to place your orders. Like, I don't get it. I don't get it. But anyways, that's my dilemma right now. So I was gonna stop this evening and pick up some stuff, but I'm not going to. I'm actually just going to go home and finish the orders that I need to do according to my calendar. So that's kind of what I was doing at work today, was just making a more in detail, because I have one on my desk, but I still feel like I need something to look at while like I'm not at home. So that like if I'm on the road and I like forget, like, or if I'm at the store and I see something for something and I know that this can be used for this order or whatever, I have my calendar on hand or whatever that lets me know what I have for the upcoming weeks, or, you know, just trying to be a little bit more organized all around. So yeah, so that's what I was working on earlier at work. And yeah, plus I got a lot of like personal stuff that I need to make, like even for like babes, like Christmas and stuff. Like there's a lot of stuff that I want to make for his gifts, and just like us, you know, we always wear matching stuff, so there's some matching updated shirts and stuff that I want to make that he doesn't necessarily know about, and there's stuff that he wants for me to make for him as well. So there's just a lot that I have to do, and I literally have like 2 weeks and a few days, so time is going. I'm super excited and all of that good stuff. But yeah, oh yes, reached that lunch a little bit faster today. So this is good. Timing is good. And I'll let them someday. Yeah, I think that's enough talking though, guys. So I will see you guys later when I'm in the laboratory or heading home, whichever one comes first. And I need to get a cart, yo. I need to make a list of all of the tech stuff that I need for this trip. I need to go and sort out my suitcase, because I bought a suitcase last year July when I was going down to get married, and the zipper bust when I was coming up in June. That's the what, the 4th time it was traveling, in terms of like, it's the 2nd trip, but the 4th time it was going on a plane. So I'm gonna understand why it's a bust up, and like I don't like really overpack or anything like that, so I don't understand. So I carry it back to the store, I go show the man, see if him can fix the zipper. God know, people, because suitcases are not cheap. You get what I'm saying? So if I buy a suitcase from you, it's supposed to last me more than 2. No, I don't ramp up my money like that. I'm in a business all long. I could have 5 years. If me not travel, so no, you must can do something. So you better be able to fix it, replace the zipper, or something. But something I forgive, brother. Something I forgive. Or me get one discount on one next suitcase or something. But yeah, and I bought that set, brand new. Bought the set, the 2 big pieces, because they don't even sell the sets like how I like my sets. I like my 2 big pieces, the same size. I don't want the big, the medium, and the small. I want the 2 big ones for all my 50 pound each, yeah? And my little carry-on, pull along, you understand? So me did buy the extra big piece. Me did buy the extra big piece along with the pull-on. Come on, the people are from across the road. Sure, Must feel like you cross a stoplight this. Eh? It's not a stoplight. Cha. So lady, you have on your glass them. Look where you do. Cha. Watch out. Woman not even look across the road to see if anybody are driving or she just walk out. Suppose me never business about pedestrian and me just lick on her down. But and then you have to wonder why people go to prison every single day. Simple things like this, people don't care about their life. I wanna just walk out into the middle of the road and on the door, look first. And then me go wrong. Alright, police soon come later. So guys, it's Friday! Thank God it's Friday. And so, ooh, I hope I didn't show y'all my naked self because I be naked. But anyways, I was telling you guys earlier that my suitcase, is broken. Which indeed it was broken. So I managed, because I just called a man at the store where I purchased it from, and he was just like, we don't fix suitcases, but we do know people who fix them, but they only work with certain brands, and if your brand is different from them, they will charge. I'm like, listen, the amount of money I spent on this suitcase, I'm not buying another. I'm not spending money for nothing. So I was like, Zoe, come home and try look on it and see what we can do from what we can do, because when zippers break on my pants and stuff like that, like I'm able to fix them back on any other type of bag or anything like that. We can't fix it back. So I come home, because you know, say me say creation and creation is me, right? Yeah. So came home and I was like, let me attempt to, you know. So anyways, I attempted to fix it. For the most part I was able to, but then when I reach over here, I don't know what it is, but when I get over here, it just won't cooperate, and then this starts to happen. So you know, when that starts to happen, everything start lift out and them someday, yeah. And that's what I am running away from, because it was super ghetto when I was traveling back from Jamaica. And good girl can't be a hot girl and I go Jamaica with mash up suitcase, you understand? But at the same time, I just don't feel like say me if you go buy back the suitcase. I just don't feel like it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna leave it as is, and if anything, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get some super glue, because I don't really put anything in here anyways. I'm just gonna put some super glue here so it don't unravel, because everywhere else is fine. But then I'm like, if I put super glue here, I'm just gonna ruin it. I'm never ever gonna be able to open it. So I don't know, I'm gonna continue to fight with it and see, and then yeah, but I was able to fix that. So one less thing off my list, and whatever, I'm here right now. I'm about to start some work and call it a night. I was gonna go back on the road and get some stuff, or I was gonna get stuff before I came home, but I'm like, let me just save that for Saturday. Let me finish the project that I currently have before I start anything else, and just call it a day. Plus I'm tired, I've been booking at my desk and everything. So yeah, this is pretty much gonna be it for Friday, guys. We'll see you guys tomorrow to finish off this week's weekly vlog. And yeah, that's how I go. Yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Good morning guys, and welcome to Saturday. It is now Tapping look here, 11:28, Saturday, December the 4th. I am just leaving the house now. I am heading on the road. I have a list of things to do. Got my book with me, so let me just go over all of the things that we got to do today. That we have to do today. So I have to order balloons for 3 orders. You guys, I have 3 balloon setups next week, Saturday. 3 in a day. It's a good thing. Yo, I remember when I just started my business and I didn't have nothing. So when I was doing balloon columns and balloon arches and stuff like that, I was blowing up stuff by my mouth, not knowing about the automatic, or at least I couldn't afford it at the time, the automatic balloon pumps and stuff. Thank God for Amazon and stuff, because baby. Whew. Anyways, so next weekend, dreading it, but money go nice. Yeah. So I have that. I need to pick up some sanitizers for our next order. I need to pick up tumblers for another order, chips, water for another order. I need to pick up some mugs. I need to pick up some vinyl, and I need to make a care tag for these orders, these mug orders that are going out tomorrow. And I also need the bags to package them. So, and probably a box for 2 orders. I should write that down. I need to get the boxes for the orders as well. What a pen them, and just have the pen in the plastic bag. There we go. And I think that's all on the agenda for today. And then I just want to come home and finish assembling my orders. Just gonna be an easy breezy weekend, just pretty much getting ready for the next weekend and all of the orders that I can possibly like knock out. Just try to knock out as much as I can, because literally 2 weeks, when Tuesday comes, this following Tuesday, I will literally have like just a week and like change to get ready and get everything that I need to get. And as I said, I do have a lot of orders and stuff like that, so plus getting ready for Jamaica myself. So yeah, I've been trying to get a hold of my sister because I want to drop off my wig so she can dye it for me, but she ain't answering me. So if anything, I'll just go over to her house tomorrow and drop it off, and then she can take it to work with her and color it and do whatever she needs to do with it. Because yeah, I want to color it. I don't think I want to be black, or I don't know if I want to just do the roots a color, or if I just want to dye the whole wig the color that I want to dye it or whatever. But yeah, again, as I said, that is what is on the agenda for today. It's my work weekend. Like, it's work for me. I don't have days off, so I'm just gonna be working, and then hopefully I finish the order that I have to do. Is done. I just have to put the message on the back of each order. It's only 4 mugs, so it's not hard. I cut everything out already. I weeded everything out already, so everything is just needing to be transferred onto the mugs. I think I have to redo one name because it messed up, but other than that, really easy. And then, as I said, just package them and we're good to go. And then I think I still want to do my Christmas ornaments at my last minute. Like, I think I'm going to do a last minute flash sale. I don't think it's too late for me to do the ornaments if I do it and I start posting them from like tomorrow. And I think I'm only going to do one style this year, and I'm just going to do the photo one and call it a day. Do like really quick flash sale with those and get those out of the way. Get like a change in my pockets and stuff. And yeah, as I said, just come home and get ready. What did I just say a while ago that I was going to be looking for? I don't remember. Anyways, hasta luego. So don't drop it on. So we have quite a few places to go. We have Dollar Tree, we have Michael, we have Dollarama. Where else do we have to go? Staples. Should have came on the road for 9 o'clock like I wanted to, so I could have been home now, but let's see if we can knock out everything that we need to knock out. Let's see if we can knock out everything that we need to knock out within like 2 hours or so. It's 11:30, 12:30. See if we can be home by like 1 o'clock. And yeah, first stop, I'm just gonna go to Dollar Tree. And from there, let's see what else we need to get. So I'll see you guys when we get to Dollar Tree. Guys, it's starting to snow. I don't love that for me. Just leaving Dollar Tree. Somebody actually wrote in my comments yesterday. They were like, Zoe, have you ever thought about going to Dollar Tree? Girl, do you guys not watch my vlogs? The main places that I live, should I really tell people my business? Orpheus Road, Dollar Tree, Dollarama, Michael's, live there. However, I find that the difference in quality, I'd rather go to Dollarama, if that makes any sense. Like, if I need a lot of something and Dollar Tree sells it in like a multiple package, because that's what I find. Like, Dollar Tree will sell their items in multiples, whereas Dollarama will sell it more so singular, if that makes any sense. So yeah, and also with the fact that everything at Dollar Tree now is $1.25 or $1.50. But Dollarama, you know, it goes up to $4. But Dollarama stuff is better quality, I think, if you ask me, in terms of dollar store. Never thought I would see the day where we are talking about quality at dollar store. But Dollarama is literally bomb. So anyways, got the mugs, got the sanitizers. Cross off the things that off on the list as I are going. Got the mugs, got the sanitizers. So now I just need the tumblers and vinyl from Michael's, plus the bags. And then I need, what else do I need from the dollar store? I need the bags from the dollar store. So I'm thinking I'll go to the Michael's that is over where Staples is. There's a Dollarama there, so I can shoot out Dollarama, Michael's, and Staples. That's hoping they have the tumblers. If they don't have the tumblers, I just gotta wait until next week and just shoot out everything for the tumblers, the chips, and the water. Where am I right now? Wah! So anyways, guys, yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm gonna go get a tea from Michael's, from Timmy's. Then I'm gonna go to Walmart, pick up the... Should I just wait till tomorrow to go to Walmart? Or just work on what I have at home right now. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like I want to just have everything so I can just go through everything and just shoom through everything so I don't have so much stuff left to do, you know what I mean? So... Let me get the tea and see how I feel. Hey, body boy, wait your turn, mofo. Body boy. All of these body boys. Lady, come out to the... Hope you guys are having yourself a great week. If you made it this far, comment down below, let me know. Oh my god, you guys, look at my skin complexion. It's that time of the year. Every time I go on video call and Joel answers the phone, he's just like, Lord, man, you're white? Like, I'm white. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but I love being black. I need a tan. Some people like me, enough to live in foreign in a winter time. My love, it don't look good. No, sir. Just keep it. Like, people... Once upon a time, I was like this. What is this? It's literally 6 degrees Celsius right now. What is 6 degrees Celsius? Like, what is that? No, ew. There's literally, like, hail. Like, what the freak is happening? OMG! Anyways, guys, got my tea. Let's go to Wally, baby. God. Hurry up, man. Get the slide. If you ever... Hey, me get a bomber clap. Yeah, that boy there, no. Drive the car. What's that? Bye guys, see you at Walmart. See you when I get there, okay? Y'all, I'm really angry in real life. I don't know what's wrong with me, but got some anger management to get under control. This is not me in real life. Like, this is not the real person I am. I'm not angry in real life. For why, you know? But whatever. Anyways, that's just the road rage for today. No, the ground is white. I don't love this. I'm coming off the road because I do not do winter. I don't drive in the snow. I do not drive in the snow. So, hurry up, pick up the thing that I'm ready to pick up and go cuddle up with my heater. That sound like a plan. Cuddle up with me eater. Right through. Yeah. guys, back in the car. Alright, next destination. Oh, hand sanitizer. Alright, let me cross the things off on my list. Yeah, girl. Tomorrow morning, I gotta get up early. I gotta get up really early and go see if I can, hold on. Yeah, tomorrow I gotta get up and see if I can go really early to the grocery store, see if I can get some stuff to eat. Sorry, y'all, it's just dim. It's winter for you. Yeah, I think Steve tea is like orange pico. I don't know, but Steve tea is bomb. Anyway, as I say, when we reach Michael's or dollar store, whichever one first, I'll come back. Guys, so just of staples. Literally without telling lies. See, people don't lie to no man. I do's not be lying to y'all. Anyways, just of staples. I got everything off my list, I think, guys. But it's 1:40, so I'm 10 minutes behind schedule because I said I did want to reach home by 1:30. But I think I did really good today. Really good today. So, going home now. See what happens when we get home. Hi, guys. It's a few minutes. Well, not a few minutes. 3:36 now. Well, I have a headache. I don't know why, but I have a headache. And I just wanted to come in and just start working, which I did. So, made a big mistake. So I have to do so much stuff over right now. Not so much, but 2 mugs. I'm just down to 2 mugs out of 4. So I made some picture mug. You can't really see it, but the lighting over here is really bad. So yeah, here's the photo mug. And then on the backs, it says, yes, I love the concept. I was like, they never specified what color. They just said, do whatever, but that's the message that I want. So cute. This one I think is my favorite. Merry Christmas, bestie. So yeah, I have 2 more. Auntie and Grandma. So I'm just cutting out their titles. I already have the Merry Christmas on. So I'm just cutting out their titles, and then how did I internet something on every day? I want to give people a problem. Hurry up now. Internet they just walk a while ago. It's supposed to connection. Come on. So yeah, guys, that's what I'm doing right now. I need to find some stuff. I have not posted on my missing pieces page in so long because a lot of the stuff that I was ordering took forever to come in. So it's like it didn't make any sense to sell them now because it's like they were summer stuff and it's winter, or it was like fall. So I'm like, okay, I'll just save everything. But I have some furry headbands, not like hair bands, but like headbands like for the winter. Like if you don't want to wear a hat or whatever. I have some of those from last year that I was not able to promote in time before I left. So I'm feeling like I want to just sell what I have. I don't want to go into another winter with them again. So yeah, I think I want to sell what I have. And yeah. Okay. So I need to go find those and then come out and pop out and be like, hey guys, I'm still here, I'm still selling stuff. Yeah, I haven't shown much love to the missing pieces, but eventually. Let me show you guys the cute bags. Let me show you guys the cute bags that I got to package this order. So cute and Christmassy. mug is going to go in one of these bags. Yeah. Yes, so cute. I love it. I'm a sucker for packaging. I love a good package. Like, if somebody brought me that, I'd be like, oh my god, look at the bag. Wow, what's inside? It must be nice. I should put my, I'm gonna put it on the back. I need to put my stickers. I need to be branding my shiznit everywhere. My business cards. Actually need to place an order for some more. I won't have much left. But yeah, I need to be branding the hell out of my things. Where's my stickers? People on the soon come. Hey guys, good morning. Yeah, good morning. Didn't come back yesterday because y'all, my head was literally tearing off. I think I went to bed at like 6 or 7 o'clock last night or whatever. I don't know, but I woke up this morning, thank God. And yeah, so I just wanted to close out this weekly vlog. If you are new to my channel again, please be sure to hit the subscribe button. If you are returning because you already live here or you're just here to keep up with me, please be sure to hit the notification bell so you guys don't miss another video from me, and I will see you guys in my next weekly vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. Comment down below. Don't forget to let me know what your favorite part was. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one, whenever that is and whatever that is. Thanks again for stopping by, and yeah, bye.